Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking on that red subscribe button below. Turn on the notification bell right beside it. And also, after watching this video, if you think it's helpful, then please share the video. Thank you for that. Anyway, my name is Sweet Pelly. On this channel, I do DIY for natural hair. I do blog. I share some simple recipes as well. Morrison Bake and Cook is my food channel. So guys, go there and show me some love. In today's video, I'm sharing with you guys this super effective scalp hair treatment that will help you grow your hair rapidly. So just go out there, get yourself some organic tomatoes. Yeah, my tip for anyone watching this video, if you are hoping to grow your hair longer, then my tip for you is to have time for your hair, have time for your scalp, like you having time for your face. Yeah, that's my tip for you. So in the bowl, I have about 11 pieces of organic tomatoes. I'll go ahead and wash it nicely just to get rid of any dirt, any stuffs around it. You guys know what I'm talking about. Yeah, just go ahead and wash the tomatoes very nicely. So guys, the next step is after washing and cutting the tomatoes into two, just go ahead and squeeze out the juice. That's what we need. As for the skin of the tomatoes, you can use it to prepare some tomatoes omelette. Very yummy. Give it a try. Hey guys, now I'll go ahead and talk about some of the benefits of using tomatoes on your scalp or on your hair. I've been using this treatment for a long time, just that I've been so reluctant for it, and today I'm super excited that this video is on YouTube. Yeah, so tomatoes contain vitamins like A, B, C, which is one great stimulant for hair growth, and those vitamins help prevent hair loss, itchy scalp, and dandruff, and I can testify that. So after squeezing out the juice, just separate the liquid from the seeds, as you can see in the video. And because of its acidic nature of the tomatoes, it helps maintain the HB balance in the scalp, which prevent the hair from excessively oil, and it also helps in getting rid of dandruff, itchy scalp, and it's also going to boost your hair growth. It's going to let you, it's going to help you grow your hair extremely. So I went ahead and added 1 full teaspoon. Did I say 1 teaspoon? 1 full spoon of MSM. If you want to know the full video or how to use MSM, just check on my channel. I have another video about it. So go ahead, stir till everything is dissolved, and then you can go ahead and use it. So here I am, my hair is already washed with shampoo, my scalp is clean, so I'll go ahead and apply the tomatoes and SMS juice on my scalp. guys, if you are still watching this video till this very point, thank you so much. You are the best. I really appreciate you. So after applying the tomatoes treatment on your scalp, go ahead, use your fingertips, massage your scalp, massage it, gently massage like 1 minute, and then after that use the rest of the treatment, the tomato juice, and apply it on your ends. Now I'll go ahead and cover my hair with hair bonnet. You can use anything to cover your hair. We just need that heat to help the treatment penetrate well into the scalp and also the hair strand. Not to forget, please be careful, because if the tomatoes gets into your eye, it's really painful. In case something like this happen, just wash your eye immediately with cold water. I'll go ahead and leave the treatment on for about 30 minutes, and then after I'll wash it with cold water, put some leave-in conditioner, seal-in oil, and then protect the hair. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.